Hi my friend, how are you? Today I'm going to share with you how to apply the micro cement on the top of marble. Here we are mixing the micro cement. So we'll start applying the first coat of micro cement before we apply the grey primer on the top of the marble. So this is the application. We'll apply first coat. After 6 to 12 hours after dry, we'll apply the second coat. Then we will wait also 12 hours to dry, completely dry. Then we'll do sanding. After sanding, we'll apply the protection, sealer protection, clear protection is coming matte or semi-gloss. As you see here, also we are applying the micro cement on the top of marble on the flooring of the bathroom. So this is the finishing. As you see here, it will give this good effect, and all the flooring will be homogeneous and giving the good looking as well. Please share the video with your friends and subscribe in the channel. Thanks a lot. So this is the finishing of micro cement on the top of counter, wash basin and the flooring. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.